Welcome back to my another video of UiPath. So this is my second demo video and I hope you have already watched my first video. So for today I am going to demonstrate another scenario which is really helpful during interviews. So the scenario is we have to create a project using ReFramework and mySQL database. Instead of using config file, we need to use the MySQL database as config file. So let's understand the project. Suppose there is a data file that is received daily from the client server, and downloaded to input folder of RE framework. So this is the data file and let's open it. So the data file contains three columns: cache in, on US check, not on US check. So once the file is successfully downloaded in the input folder, we need to start the processing of data file using the RE framework. So now your task is to first pick the data file and insert the data to a predefined table in MySQL database. So I have created this table. So as you can see, it is empty for now and it contains column cache in, on US check, not on US check, transaction number having default value null, status having default value 0, processing start time having default value datetime.now, then process end time having default value again datetime.now, and remarks has default value null. So once the data is successful, we need to insert the data in this MySQL table. So once the data is successfully inserted in MySQL table, now you need to process the data one by one. And once the data is inserted in this MySQL table, you also need to move the file from this input folder to the processing folder. So now let's execute a demo and let's see if it works as usual. Let's run the file. So it started executing. Yeah. So data is being inserted and it started inserting the data in the UI app. That is cache in, not on US check, not on US check. So data. So now the execution is completed. Just to check the output panel if any error occurred. So as you can see, the transaction is being processed. Yeah, we got one business rule exception which we will discuss a bit later. So then another process is picked up, then another, and yeah, there is no error system exception. So now we move to the SQL table and let's see if the data is successfully here. That's great. We got the expected results in the table. The transaction number from the UI app is updated. Status is set to 1 for successful transactions and -1 for the business rule exception. So the remarks have been updated with incorrect format, and when we check it in the column, we see that it has an incorrect format 664A. So please try it yourself. Successful execution, we can see that the data file which was downloaded in the input folder has been finally moved to the output folder with the timestamp. Just a tip for you guys to understand better is I have created a SQL table named as configuration, having columns name, value and description, which is same as the config file. If we are executing the project for the first time, so the config data, this data needs to be inserted in mySQL configuration table. So this was another video scenario which is a good hands-on for you guys and understand the UiPath much better. I used various database activities in this demo. Please comment if you want to ask some question related to this demo. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and share. I will join soon with another interesting demo video on UiPath. Till then, take care guys. Thank you.